In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank on Airbnb's first page by giving you these 3 hacks that you can literally start implementing right away in your Airbnb platform. This is going to be a game changer. Make sure you stay for every second of this video because it's going to be power packed with information for you so you can get more bookings. SEO means search engine optimization, a simple fancy way of saying what are people searching for when they're coming to look for your Airbnb. The number 1 search amenity in Airbnb is a pool. Number 2 is a hot tub. Number 3 is a workstation. Number 4 is a king bed. Number 5 is a pool table. Number 6 is a game room, right? So what do we want to do? In our title for our Airbnb, it should have 2 to 3 amenities that you have in your property. For example, let's say that you have a hot tub. Let's say that you have a pool table, okay? I would do something like this. Amazing new cottage. And then I put the little star, right? And then I put hot tub. And then I put a star, pool table. And then I put a star, minutes to SeaWorld. Amazing new cottage, star, hot tub, star, pool table, star, minutes to SeaWorld. You see that title? I've got 2 or 3 unbelievable amenities. And the last thing is minutes to, M-I-N-S-T-O, and then whatever it is the thing that they're coming to see. What is the main attraction in your city? And just put minutes to blank. Just gave you the game right there, guys, for your title. Now, when people are searching, when they're looking for SeaWorld, your listing pops up. When they want a hot tub, your listing pops up. When they're looking to play pool, your listing pops up. You guys get it? This is what you want to follow. Hack number 2, and that is breaking even the very first month. So essentially what our goal is for the very first month on Airbnb is to basically break even. We're not trying to make money. Here's why. Airbnb is an interest algorithm. All they care about is views, length of time somebody's on your listing, right? And number 3, are you getting bookings? So if we can play into their system, Airbnb system, and we can understand what they are looking for, we can rank very high. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your rent payment. Let's say your rent payment is $2,000 a month, okay? And let's say for even numbers, your utilities are $200 a month. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add those together. So now we're at $2,200 a month hard cost, okay? Now, what I want you to do with that number now is divide that 2,200 divided by 30. You should have somewhere between $70, $71. That's your hard cost. So what your job to do is on that very first month, when you're putting together your listing and you're doing your pricing, you want to be about $75, $78, $79, somewhere in that range where you're kind of just right around breaking even. Why? Because Airbnb is going to see that this listing is hot because people are booking it. People are giving you 5-star reviews. People are looking at it. Oh my gosh, look at this property for this price. You're getting views. You're getting bookings. You're getting 5-star reviews. Airbnb's like, this is great. Let's push you to first page. This gem right here I just gave you is an absolute game changer. Now, month number 2, we're gonna increase the prices up and I'll show you how to do dynamic pricing. I got a bunch of videos on dynamic pricing where I'll teach you how to structure each day so you can basically know what you're gonna be pricing at based on seasonality, based on demand, based on supply, based on events, based on weekends, weekdays, right? I'll show you how to price it so that you guys are profitable, not losing money each month, okay? Hack number 3, and that is this. In the SEO, if you've got to a place where maybe you've got a couple months and then you're getting stagnant, people contact me all the time. Look, Mike, I've got an Airbnb. My occupancy is very low. I'm not really getting any more bookings. I'm kind of stuck in that 30, 40% occupancy. Well, there's a couple things you can do, and this hack right here works amazing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna basically snooze your listing. So if your listing right now is active, snooze it and snooze it for 48 hours, for 2 days. Okay? Now, while it's snoozed, as soon as you snooze it, go in and just change the title slightly, okay? So instead of maybe it's saying hot tub, pool table, you flip those. You've changed it slightly in your title. Number 2, you've changed a few words in the beginning of your description, okay? And number 3, you've just changed your hero photo, which is the main photo that everybody sees. Doing this right here resets the listing. Airbnb sees it as a new listing. Boom. They pop you onto page number 1 and you're gonna start getting bookings again. You can thank me later, okay? Hey, when Christmas comes around, don't ask Investor Mike for a gift because I just gave it to you right there, okay? Now, one other tip that I'm gonna give you, I don't think a lot of people know, but this is a game changer. Your hero photo, when people are going through, remember that people are going onto Airbnb, they're visual, Okay, back in 1982, people were, they had an attention span of 8 minutes. Now we have an attention span of like 2 seconds. So when people, it's just like dating, right? When you're following, no, you're just looking at a picture. It's the same thing people are doing for Airbnb. They're looking at the photo and then making the choice whether or not they want to stay there. That's why the statistics show that you can have like a 200 to 300% increase in bookings just by going professional photos versus your cell phone. The other thing, this is very important, you have your main hero photo, right? Also known as the profile photo, okay? When people look at your listing, they see that and then they see a cluster of 4 photos. Okay, so it's your next 4 photos when you're looking at your Airbnb account. It's the next 4 photos that you have after the main one. What most people do is they got a boring living room right there. All pictures, 4 pictures of the living room. What I want you to do is I want you to take your 4 best pictures. So you have a hero here, and then the next 4 pictures should be the best 4 pictures of the entire property. The hot tub, the pool, right? The pool table, right? Then 4 best pictures. So now when they see your listing and they see the hero photo plus the next 4 are real exciting, they're gonna go in and they're gonna click in it and they're gonna also see the rest of the pictures. Another hack, make sure you guys have at least 40 to 50 photos because here's the psychology. When somebody's on your listing, remember Airbnb is an interest algorithm. They care about the length of time people are on your listing. So what better thing could we do besides add more photos to keep people on longer, right? If somebody's scrolling through your listing, you have 8 photos, how quickly could they get through it? What if you had 40 to 50 photos? Now people are looking at it going, okay, cool, there's a lot of photos. They're taking their time to look through all the photos of you got. They're gonna be on there with 40 pictures, right? So make sure you have at least 40 to 50 photos. Hero photo, great picture, make sure the picture, I go into Airbnb and I go into that city and I see what everybody else is doing and I do the opposite. If everybody's got a picture of their living room, right, for in that city, and I'm like, okay, cool, I'm trying to book something and everybody's got a hero photo of the city, like the inside of their property, I'm gonna go with the picture of the city. If everybody's got a picture of the city, I'm gonna go with a nice picture of the inside of the living room. Do something that's different so when people are looking, yours stands out. Same thing with colors. Everybody's with the boring white, find something bright and airy, and that's your profile picture. What I just gave you guys is years of data. Give it to you for free because I want you to win, okay? That's worth a thumbs up and a subscribe right there. I don't care who you are, that's worth a damn subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, please. It means the world to me and our organization that you continue to watch our videos every single day. And we only want to come to you every single day to make sure you're winning in the game of Airbnb, okay? So, thumbs up, subscribe, please and thank you. And lastly, if you need help, put the word Airbnb in comments and I personally will reach out to you. Not somebody on my team. I personally will reach out to you and let's see if it makes sense for us to work together. One promise I always have is this. If we work together, I'll save you thousands of dollars if you're trying to get into Airbnb for your first property right on the front end versus you paying thousands more and a ton of time. And you have the #1 coach helping you. Put the word Airbnb in comments. Let's roll. See you guys on the inside. Bye.